Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another Tao video here in the Outdoorsy channel. I just want to show you the new mod that I've purchased for the bike. It's actually right here. I'll leave a link to it down below. It only cost me $8, $7.99, and it is a counter sprocket. This is what it looks like. It's just a tiny little mod that you could get for your bike. And basically, that's it right there. It gives you more teeth, so it gives your chain more to grab onto as it's spinning, so your bike goes faster. So right now I'm at, with my weight and my height, I'm at 49 miles per hour with the Tao Tao. All I've done in this Tao Tao, I've upgraded the carburetor, and that's it. That's all I've done to it for it to go faster. Also, my chain's a little loose, so I'll probably tighten that up just a little tiny bit. That way it really grips onto this. This is what makes it spin, so that means your back wheel will spin faster, and we should gain some speed. Hopefully we'll gain a few extra miles per hour. So we'll set this up, and we'll have a test to see how fast it goes. See if we could beat that 49 miles per hour record that I set on the last video. So yeah, let's get into it. Just this top screw. All right, there's a second nut right here. That's an 8mm. Let's see what we got here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. This is what we'll be replacing. I'm not sure exactly how many teeth it has, but we'll take it off and we'll count them. It definitely looks like less. If you compare that teeth on that versus this definitely has more. So that means more rotation, faster speed. So yeah, shout out to the guy that recommended this to me. Definitely an easy little upgrade for the Tao. Yeah, so shout out to you, man. Appreciate the comments and the love down below. Appreciate y'all. All right guys, it's just a 10mm here. One screw. Second screw. See, I need a hooky for this. Boom. Take out this ring. It came with a new one. That's the new one. Much bigger. Okay. Oh, that's so easy. Oh, damn, guys. That's too easy. You just pull that thing out. And pull this out. Alright, guys. After you take off the old piece, you want to put in the new piece. So that just slides in. Okay, now we'll just put the second screw in and we'll lock that down. Alright guys, so what we'll do next is we'll take off this chain and we'll replace it with the new chain that is compatible with the new piece. So here it is. Here it is, guys. This was also from Amazon, and it just it looks a little tighter, and it's the one for this, so it fits that. It fits around the unit a lot nicer. So let's check it out. Let's do a dry fit real quick, just to see if the teeth will wrap around this. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so after you're done installing your sprocket, one thing you want to do is you want to file down these little support beams. So I just have half of a support beam now, but I filed them down. That way when that sprocket is going, it's not rubbing on anything. Yo, what up guys? So I got everything put back together. I got the GPS speedometer hooked up. I got the camera tilted down. I think I'm ready to go. I'm in neutral. Let's start this bad boy up, and we'll check out the speed test. Last time we did a speed test was with the new carburetor upgrade on this bike. This time we're going to do a speed test with the new sprocket, 19 teeth sprocket. All the parts will be in the link below if you want to check it out. So last time we did 49, and I know we're going to break 50, but let's see how much we can break 50. So I believe we hit 53. Holy shit. And that's a shorter road than this. This is a little road here. All right, ready? So now we're gonna go from here to the bridge where I stopped the other day and showed you guys the rope swings. The only scary part is that there is cars that could come out. So let's back it up right here on gear 1. Wow, guys, this thing is super fast now. Let's put this back up. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear. That's it, boys. So turn it back now. Let's see how fast we can get it. 47, 49, 50. We broke the record. 51, 52. Woo! 52, 53. Not bad, boys. So dang, that was a pretty nice little upgrade though for over the bridge. We'll use the bridge as a little booster. So we're going up the bridge, 25, 30. I think I'm in 4th gear. Yeah, I'm good. I'm in 4th gear. Guys, I wish I had a longer road. I think that I could probably get this thing up to 53, but maybe 53, 54, I don't know. So I really can't be looking at the speedometer while I'm hauling buns. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I saw it at least said 52 on there, so, you know, guys, seriously, if you have a Tao Tao Db17 and you want to gain 3 to 5 miles per hour of speed, that's a really quick, simple upgrade that you guys could do. So you just take out your old sprocket, which has 15 teeth on it, and you swap it out with one that has 19 teeth on it, and it's a little bit bigger, so it will give a stronger, longer rotation. Woo! So yeah, guys, like I was saying, for 20 bucks, you could gain 3 to 5 miles per hour on your Tao Tao. So, and I think that anybody could do this upgrade. I don't think that you have to have super mechanical skills. I don't think that you have to be a mechanic or anything like that. I think that a little bit of willpower and a little bit of elbow grease and literally some grease, and you could get this done yourself. I don't care if you're 10 years old or 80 years old. Anybody could do this little upgrade. So, alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.